So I got a bunch of stuff from a shop called Joe Fresh. I don't know if you guys know Joe Fresh. It's a Canadian brand. It's kind of like Target. Actually, it's very similar to Target. They've got some really cool clothing that they do, and it's very, very affordable. Especially during the summer, I love shopping there. And so I'm gonna show you this. So these are linen slacks, and they're like chambray. They look like denim, but they have a zipper, a button, a zipper, so it's a trouser, right? With a pocket in the back and pockets on the sides. But they're the summer trousers, so they've got the drawstring as well. Really, really cool. These were $34, and they were having a sale. This is the pant, and I love this because I'm that person who loves separates, but the outfit, come on now. So the pant was in the store, and the hub was gonna get the pant because it looked like a pair of pajamas, and he's like, "Oh, those are nice for the house," and he's like, "No, I'm not gonna get those." And so I went online to look for them, and there they were. The shirt, completely up my alley, y'all. Nehru collar, and that means the collarless shirt. And again, linen. And I love, because these are great for when I travel, because they're lightweight, and I can take a weekender bag. I have a few shirts like this that have the button on the sleeve that goes halfway up so you can roll them up, right? And it's a long sleeve shirt. Linen, lightweight, easy breezy. All of this stuff is coming with me when I go to LA. If you guys don't know, I'm going to VidCon. That's the video convention in LA. So I'm going to VidCon. So I'm taking all these little summer separates with me. Summer separates. Y'all know I love a good summer suit. I'm one of them short suit people. I have always been a short suit person. The cargo short. Same material, cargo short. 2 pockets up here, a pocket in the back, and pockets down here. Come on now. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I can wear the shirt with the shorts, with the shirt rolled up and buttoned. I can wear the shirt with the pant and have it casual or dressy. Like, I love all that. So, you guys, I got these shorts when I was in the actual Joe Fresh. Love these. Aren't these fun shorts? Look, how fun are these? So these have the perforated built-in underwear, basically. So you can wear these as shorts to the beach or in the pool. You can wear them as swim trunks because they have that look and feel, but you can also wear them, as I would, as walking shorts. They don't have pockets on the sides, but they do have that pocket in the back. Joe Fresh has a shirt that they paired this with when they were thinking of their collection. I love this shirt equally. So look at that. How preppy am I with this? It is a PK Polo Lobster shirt. It's very, very cool. That is just like so cool. This was $16. And it's really nice, and it'll go with everything. Like, it's so preppy. I will rock this with jeans. I will rock this with trousers, with khakis. I will rock this with shorts, with a blazer. Like, it's gonna be on. It's gonna be on and popping. And of course, with how they wanted to compliment it, because that's what they complimented with. And chambray, they had this really nice shirt in the color of the 3-piece, but they didn't have my size, and I was kind of bummed out. Well, I don't think I looked for this online. I don't know if I did, but I got it in the pink. It's a really cool color. Just nice pink. It's just very simple and easy, just an easy breezy shirt, and it's wrinkled because I washed it. I got this one before I got the other stuff. And then this is so nice. I almost got the pink one in this. And this is very, very cool. Again, linen. And you can just ball that stuff up and take it with you. I love lightweight materials because they are easy. They're easy to maintain. They're easy to transport, and they're relatively easy to take care of. And what I do with my linens, and this is just a thought to you all, it's sort of old school. I wash and hang most of my garments. Shirts, I hang them up or lay them flat. I don't put them in the dryer. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Thank you so much for being part of the day, and we will talk soon. Bye, everybody.